In the previous video, we built a single resistor, single capacitor, RC circuit. And the input goes across the resistor and capacitor. The output goes across the capacitor only. So the channel 1 of the oscilloscope is connected to the output of the RC circuit. The channel 2 of the oscilloscope is connected to the input of the circuit, which is the output of the function generator. So in this video, we're going to show how we create a 0 to 5 volts step function, which in other words, it's 0 to 5 volts square wave in frequency of 100 Hz. So now let's turn on the power for the function generator. So first of all, every time we turn on the function generator, remember to set the high Z mode. Press utility, press output setup, choose high Z, done. Every time we turn on the function generator, we need to set the high Z mode. So then we choose the square function. The frequency is 100 Hertz. Then the amplitude is peak to peak 5 volts. 5 volts. So is that all? Not yet. Why? Because currently the wave is minus 2.5 volts to 2.5 volts. It's symmetrical regarding the x-axis. But what we want is from 0 to 5 volts. So how we can do that? We can set an offset to be 2.5 volts. So then let's take a look at the graph. So you see this is the square wave from 0 to 5 volts. So finally, remember to press output. So then the square wave will be output from the function generator to the circuit. Let's take a look at the oscilloscope. So remember that in the previous circuit, we built channel 1 of the oscilloscope is connected to the output of the circuit. And the channel 2 of the function generator is connected to the function generator output, which is the input of the circuit. So now we see the channel 2 is in green color. So it's a 5 volts peak to peak step function, the square wave from 0 volts to 5 volts. And the period is 0.1 second because 100 Hertz, right? You see each division is 2 billion seconds per division. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 division. So it's 10 milliseconds. It's 100 Hertz, right? So the yellow curve is the output. The yellow curve is the output of the RC circuit. So it's a standard charging, discharging, exponentially curve of the capacitor. So to get this pair of green and yellow curves, input and output of the RC circuit, one thing, if you do the experiments yourself, you need to keep in mind is when to press the trigger manual. Then choose the trigger to the edge, and it's a rising edge from the slope soft key. So remember that if you start to do the experiments yourself, it will be readjusted again by the lecturer. So that's pretty much for this part. So we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.